friends. So yes, if you are facing some issue in the publishing the your application which is you developed in base 44, then what you can do that I will tell you now. So let's say you can go over here on the section, let's say publish, and then you will find this mobile application icon. And then once you run this, basically you need to go for a run app scan, and then if you want to publish on a Google Play Store, then you run this. Basically then it will go and check all the uh, basically guideline, and then according to that whether it is okay or not okay, that it will give the result. So I will tell you how to fix that as well, because I run my scan. Actually this is the scan I run, and then I found multiple errors initially. I already resolved some of them, and then I will tell you how you can do that as well. So what basically I did is, once I will get this, I took the screenshot of that one, and then I attach that in here in the again in the base 44, let's say, to give the instruction that fix all the images or errors which is given in this. So previously it has a multiple issues, actually now it is slightly less. So what we can do, let's say currently also it has let's say multiple problems actually. Okay, so basically I will go for a full report. What I can do here is, because the last one is okay pass, then I can take a screenshot of this. Okay, and then let's say I will, let's see, here it is like this, need improvement. Okay, it should be here near almost ready already, then we can publish it actually. So now what we can do is, I will close this, or let's say I will take a screenshot of this. Okay, as I am already using other app, my screen recording app, so I can use the this one, snip and sketch. So I will select this area. So I took the screenshot. Okay, and that I will basically save it in a download folder. Okay, let's say errors. Now I will close this, I will close this, then again what I will do, upload from a computer. I will go in download, this image I will select, then I will give a prompt, can you fix all the error mentioned in image basically. Then I will click again over here, so it will analyze that again. And so previously I had a multiple error, I did the same thing, and then error got reduced. Still there are, you see there are multiple errors are there. So let's see how what and all it is doing to fix those errors as well. Okay, so as I'm recording also, I think it is slow because of that. Okay, so I think it has done. Then Then I think we can go again and publish. So I will go to this, let's say mobile app. Already your app visibility should be public. I can publish it. Okay, it has published. Now I will again go here, mobile app, check app. So let's see if we see some of them are done or not. So just to go ahead and just to tell you a bit more about it. So once if it is compatible with the Google Play Store guideline, then basically if you wanted to publish it from here itself, then you need a builder plus plan actually, okay, which will cost you around 40, I think $40, I think that is there, that amount. So other, there could be some other amount. Okay, super. So if you see now, it is almost ready, right? So I think it did a great job. Now many things are fixed. Only I think this and this two are the key issue. Other than that are warnings, I think. So I think that should be okay. It will not, because it is almost ready, right? So then it is not a problem. Even if we wanted to fix this, we can try that also, but at the moment I will leave that, and then I will show you what you need to do. So as you see that now app is basically ready, and now if you click on this, let's say, then basically you need a builder plus plan, okay, to go ahead and publish. So mm, that's why you need to pay that amount. So if you see that upgrade and then builder, so it is 40 euro, right, per month. So that is the cost we need to give. Otherwise you can have other option as well, where you can convert the application web app to the mobile. There are some free site available also, which is given in some video. I can tell you about that as well. So if you see this video, it is already giving that information. I can link that video which you can refer, and then that also you can do basically. But if you really want to do it from here, then you need to spend amount. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.